Okay, this is update number 4. I know last time we started with the screen. We're going to start with the code this time. So, I've updated my display main hand function to have a clear main hand slot that is called first, and that is down here. What this does is it cycles through every slot and removes all the children of that slot. So slot 1, if it has 6 cards, it will remove all 6 cards just to clear it, and of course that happens really fast. And then immediately after clearing, we're sorting the cards and reapplying them to the slots. And then down here, after we've reapplied them, we're adding an event listener to each card that grabs that card ID, which the card ID is just the here, I'll go over to the JSON. What it's grabbing is everything right here. And then it's checking cards for a matching one that was grabbed. And then once there is a matching one, it removes the matching one from the array. And since we have different suits and stuff, and the suit is within the ID, it'll only remove the suit that you clicked on. So if I clicked on a 6 of hearts, we don't have to worry about removing a 6 of diamonds. It'll look for the 6H ID and remove that one. After we have removed the card and moved it to the center deck, we're redisplaying the center deck and redisplaying the main hand. And we have added a card value function and a sort cards function. And what this does is based on, I guess, this library of values and the order of these values, it will slice off the suit. So instead of 6D and 6H, we'll have 6 and 6. And so it'll slice off the suit part of the ID and order everything based off of this library right here. And then once these are sorted, and this is why we're calling this first, so anytime a card is added or removed from the main hand, we're reorganizing it and then redisplaying it. So let's bring this over and show you. So when we hit play game, I've also removed the colored boxes because I needed those mostly for my own reference, but they aren't required. It will add text in the future as well. This is the draw deck. You have your 3 hidden cards, and then this is the main hand right now. So we'll see that it stacked the 3s on top of each other. The way it's going to work is round robin. It will list from least to greatest, from left to right. If a card has the same value as the one placed before it, it will place that card in the same slot. If it does not have the same value, it moves on to the next slot. So we'll draw a card. So it added, I believe it added the jack. I don't have any animations, so it can be hard to tell sometimes. So it added in I added a card over here. So we'll see that it sorts everything. And then I can click on any card I want. So this is a 3 of diamonds. We'll see the 3 of diamonds pop up. 4 diamonds pop up. I can grab this card all the way over here, and I can grab this card all the way over here, and it keeps everything together. And we don't need to worry about it slicing off half of the array when you click something in the center. So this works currently. Obviously, this isn't a playable game, but this is a pretty good step, I believe. Obviously, we're going to need this in order to play the game. So I think the next step will be adding cards to this hidden hand. And then after we can add cards to the hidden hand, we have most of the logic built for playing a card game. So I think the next step would be the game master script, which controls the rules and if a card can be played or not. So that's it for this update. See you.